Let me show you the difference between manual and auto layouts in Pagecloud.
Okay, let's start by creating a brand new section in Pagecloud. This one's going to use a manual layout. Now, manual layouts can be a lot of fun. They give you tons of creativity, and you can drag things anywhere you want and make something that looks really unique. So I just copied some text and put it into the manual layout here, and you can see I can just start dragging things around and putting things anywhere I want. But here's the catch. With manual layout, you're also responsible for making sure everything looks good on different screen sizes. That means more work when it comes to optimization. So if I switch over to mobile layout, you can see here, everything I've just done in desktop, I'm going to have to repeat that over here in mobile. So that just means more work. On the other hand, auto layouts do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So they automatically stack and resize your content for mobile. So this saves time while keeping things really consistent. You can see that this is an auto layout here. And if I start dragging things around, things won't actually go where I want them to. However, if I go into mobile mode, you can see here, things are stacked nice and neat. And if I select this column and I wanted to perhaps maybe center this content in mobile, you can see over here in desktop, everything still stays the same. So the question is, do you want total creative freedom or do you want speed and mobile friendly layouts by default? That's the trade-off between manual and auto layouts in Pagecloud.